In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a header transparent on Wix. Creating a transparent header can really uplift your website's design by allowing background images or other elements to seamlessly blend with the overall site theme. This adjustment is simple to achieve but can have a major impact on the aesthetics of your site. So let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to open your Wix account. Make sure you're logged in, and from your dashboard, navigate to the site where you want to make the header transparent. Once you're there, click on the option to edit the site, which will open up the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be greeted with the familiar interface that allows you to modify and customize every aspect of your website. Now direct your attention to the header section of your site. This is often at the top of your editor view unless you've customized it to be elsewhere. Click directly on your header and you'll notice a frame appears around it, indicating that it's selected. You might also see some options pop up which you can click to reveal further customization menus. The next thing you need to do is look for the option labeled Change Background. Clicking this will open additional settings specific to the background of your header, allowing you to alter its appearance. This step is crucial because we are about to adjust the background's transparency. Within the background settings, you'll see a few options, including one for colors. Click on Color. This is where you can change the background's current color to a transparent one. When you dive into the color option, you're trying to find the color picker or the library of colors you've already used on your website. To make the header transparent, select a transparent or semi-transparent color. A transparent color is often represented by a checkerboard pattern. If you're tweaking the transparency of an existing color, you can usually find a slider that lets you adjust the opacity. Lowering this slider will make your header more see-through, effectively blending it with the content behind it. After selecting your transparent color, your Wix header should now be transparent, allowing any background elements or images on your web page to shine through beautifully. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your website's design. And there you have it. You've now transformed your Wix site's header to a transparent one, providing a more integrated and modern look. Remember, you can always come back and tweak these settings until you find the perfect transparency level that matches your design vision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on making your website the best it can be.